today's fast-paced world, businesses have a new tool in their arsenal. It's not just about numbers, it's about words. Let's unravel how NLP is reshaping the business landscape. Remember our chats about NLP, that magical realm where computers grasp human language. It's everywhere now, from our phones to our favorite online shops. NLP is the silent worker bee, analyzing, understanding and making sense of human chatter. Imagine walking into a store and the salesperson knows exactly what you want. That's NLP at work. Through chatbots, it's ensuring you get instant answers at 2 a.m. It dives deep into feedback, telling businesses what you love or what makes you frown. And remember those suggested for you sections. Yep, that NLP tailoring your shopping experiences. Behind the scenes, businesses are evolving too. Gone are days of manually sifting through piles of resumes. NLP does that in seconds. And those lengthy monthly reports transformed into concise summaries thanks to our language-savvy artificial intelligence. But it's not all about sales and efficiency. Imagine a tool that flags potential contract issues before you sign or alerts you the moment there is not so nice tweet about your brand. Plus, with regulations tightening, NLP ensured businesses stay in the clear automatically. And we are just scratching the surfaces. Imagine a future where your voice assistant not only understands you but anticipates your business needs. A world where no matter the language, businesses connect seamlessly. Real-time insights, they are on the horizon. The world of NLP is vast and ever evolving. As business owners, it's not just about adopting technology, it's about understanding and growing it. Want to stay ahead? Dive deeper into the world of NLP with us. Subscribe, share your thoughts and let's learn together in this transformational journey.